Have you ever thought about how powerful your imagination is? It's easy to assume imagination is something we leave behind in childhood, but the truth is that a healthy imagination can be one of the most important tools you have as an adult. Whether you're trying to solve a problem, stay motivated, or improve your social life, your imagination can shape your experiences. But before we get into it, remember to push the subscribe button so you can take advantage of more life-changing tips and ideas like these. Today, we will delve into 5 incredible benefits of having a healthy imagination and how your life can transform in ways you might not expect. 1. A healthy imagination makes you a creative problem solver. Life is full of challenges, big and small. Whether it's figuring out how to balance work, family, and friends, or finding creative ways to save money, problems seem to pop up when we least expect them. But here's the good news. Your imagination can empower you to tackle these challenges efficiently, giving you a sense of control and mastery. When you engage your imagination, you can think outside the box. Instead of getting stuck on one solution, you can explore different possibilities. Let's take a common problem, for example. Imagine struggling to find time to hang out with your friends because of your busy schedule. At first, it might seem impossible to fit everyone in, but what if you used your imagination to think of new ways to connect? You could combine activities, invite your friends to join you at events you're already attending, or plan a group get-together while running errands or doing something else on your to-do list. Another example could be when you're facing a work-related problem. Instead of following the usual approach, you could use your imagination to come up with a unique solution that others might not have considered. I once had a friend who used her imagination to plan a surprise party for a friend during a work trip, and it turned out to be a memorable event for everyone involved. Using your imagination, you can develop creative solutions that might be obscure initially. The more you practice this, the better you'll get at solving problems in every aspect of your life, from personal relationships to work challenges. 2. Imagination boosts your ability to connect with others. Why do some people seem great at understanding others and forming solid relationships? A big part of that comes from their ability to empathize, and empathy is fueled by imagination. When you use your imagination, you can picture what it's like to be in someone else's shoes. You can imagine their feelings, motivations, and experiences, which helps you understand their origins. Knowing is especially helpful when interacting with people who think or act differently than you do, fostering a sense of compassion and understanding. For example, if you disagree with a coworker, it might be tough to see their point of view. But by using your imagination, you can envision what they might be feeling, what pressures they might be facing, and how to see things the way they do, making it easier to communicate and find common ground, fostering a sense of compassion and understanding. In the long run, having a healthy imagination allows you to connect with people on a deeper level and help you build stronger, more meaningful relationships. 3. Imagination helps you find creative ways to save money. When life gets expensive, saving money can feel like a daunting task. But with some imagination, you can devise clever ways to cut costs without sacrificing fun or enjoyment. Think about the last time you went out with friends or family. How much did you spend? More than you expected, right? Imagine what would happen if you used your creativity to find low-cost or free alternatives. Instead of dining out at an expensive restaurant, you could host a fun, themed dinner party at home. Instead of spending money on entertainment like movies or concerts, you could organize game nights, watch a movie at home, or explore free events in your community. Your imagination can also help you rethink how you spend on day-to-day necessities. For example, if you love decorating your home but want to save money on new items, use your imagination to repurpose things you own or create DIY projects to give your space a fresh look. You can also use your imagination to plan your meals for the week, finding creative ways to use leftovers and reduce food waste. By imagining new ways to approach spending and enjoying the things that matter most, you can still find ways to save money. Imagine new ways to approach spending and find ways to save money while still enjoying the things that matter most. 4. Imagination fuels motivation and keeps you going. When life throws challenges, staying motivated can be challenging. But your imagination can be a powerful tool for keeping your motivation alive, even when things get tough. One way imagination helps is by allowing you to visualize success. When you're working toward a goal, it's easy to get discouraged if progress could be faster. But if you can imagine what it will feel like when you finally achieve your goal, that vision can keep you pushing forward, instilling a sense of pride and accomplishment. Your mental image can motivate and keep you on track when the journey gets tough. Your imagination can also help you find new ways to stay excited about the tasks in front of you. Imagine making the process more enjoyable or rewarding if you were stuck in a routine. You could break up a big task into smaller, more manageable steps or add an element of fun, like listening to music or turning it into a game, making the journey toward your goals more enjoyable and motivating. A healthy imagination helps you stay curious, excited, and motivated, even when the road gets bumpy. 5. Imagination sharpens your memory and keeps your brain active. Did you know that your imagination can actually improve your memory? That's right. When you use your imagination regularly, you boost your creativity and strengthen your brain. According to some studies, engaging your imagination helps create new neurons in your brain. The more neurons you have, the better your brain works, as these neurons are the cells responsible for transmitting information. Using your imagination regularly makes it easier for your brain to remember important things, whether daily tasks, facts, or even people's names. For example, if you're trying to remember your grocery or to-do list, use your imagination to create a mental picture of each item. By imagining yourself walking through the store and picking up each item, you'll be more likely to remember everything you need. In the long run, a healthy imagination helps keep your brain sharp and active, making it easier to remember information and stay mentally fit as you age. Unlock your potential with a healthy imagination. As we've seen, imagination is a tool you can use to improve your life in countless ways. The benefits of a healthy imagination are endless, from solving problems and connecting with others to saving money, staying motivated, and sharpening your memory. So, how can you start using your powerful imagination more daily? Whether through daydreaming, visualizing success, or thinking creatively about challenges, make time to let your imagination run wild. The more you practice, the more benefits you'll experience. If you enjoyed learning about these life-changing benefits, please like this video and subscribe for more tips on unlocking your full potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.